So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a herbal foot soak that will help to improve circulation, improve your sleep, ease pain, and relieve stress, and also good for exfoliating and removing dead skin cells. So to make this herbal foot soak, I'll be making use of thyme. You can also use rosemary. This will help to stimulate circulation, and it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So I'm going to add hot water and leave it infuse. So I'm going to start by mixing the water. I'll first of all add hot water, then mix it with cold water. Please make sure that you check the temperature of the water if it is okay for you. So I'm going to be adding baking soda, which will help to neutralize any foot odor and soften the skin. I will be pouring the thyme liquid. So I'll be squeezing some lemon juice. Lemon juice will help to treat foot odor, improve circulation, smoothen your feet. So I'll be making use of Epsom salt. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which can be absorbed through the skin and help to relax the muscles. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which will help to reduce inflammation, swelling on the feet, and it will help to soften rough, dry skin, making it easier to exfoliate the dry skin cells. So when I'm done adding everything, I'm going to place my feet into the tub and allow it to soak for about 20 or 30 minutes. You can relax and listen to music while soaking your feet. So after soaking for about 20 minutes, I'm going to scrub to remove any dead skin cells. You can notice that the dead skin cells are softened, so I'm going to be scrubbing them. And when I'm done scrubbing, rinse your feet, dry it, and moisturize it with any oil of your choice. You can use your moisturizer, coconut oil, or Vaseline. So I hope that you try making this herbal foot soak, because to help to relax your muscles, reduce inflammation. It is also good if you are having tired feet. It will help to relieve swelling on your feet and also help you to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells.